Hello, and welcome to Healthy Benefits. Today, we're going to share with you 5 powerful affirmations to say every day to get you motivated to exercise. Let's dive right in. Affirmation 1. I am ready to make a change and embrace a healthier lifestyle. To start, picture yourself running through a beautiful field full of bright yellow flowers. The sun is shining, and the air is fresh. Feel your body glowing with energy as you take that first jog. This vivid image will help you tap into the positive feelings you're going to experience after exercising. Affirmation 2. I choose to feel strong, confident, and ready. Now, envision yourself lifting weights with determination. Imagine yourself pushing your limits and achieving new heights. This will reinforce the belief that you are the best person to take control of your life and fitness journey. Affirmation 3. I am focused, and I will give it my all. Next, picture yourself on a treadmill, your eyes locked on your destination. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the rush of oxygen rushing through your body. This affirmation will help you stay centered during your workout, making it even more enjoyable. Affirmation 4. I let go of past regrets and focus on what's ahead. Now, picture yourself on a yoga mat, stretching and meditating. Feel the tension in your body slowly releasing as you lay down in a comfortable position. This meditation will help you let go of any negative thoughts about the past and block out distractions, allowing you to fully concentrate on your workout. Affirmation 5. I am here to enjoy the process and celebrate my progress. Finally, envision yourself enjoying a leisurely swim after a hard workout. The water gently massaging your back, the sun warmly glowing on your skin. This is the perfect way to appreciate the progress you've made. The positive affirmations you've just listened to will be the fuel that keeps you motivated on your fitness journey. If you have found value in this video, and it has piqued your desire to start today to change your whole life, don't forget to subscribe, like, and remember to comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.